Today is the day that I get my vaccine. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Boardroom to Bounce House. My name is Tana. If you don't know me yet, hi, nice to meet you. My channel is all about balancing motherhood and having a full-time corporate job and yeah, all the things in between. So in today's video, I'm doing something very exciting. I'm getting my COVID vaccine. I'm in the car right now. It's raining, but that's okay because it's still a happy day. I'm getting my COVID vaccine. I'm getting dose number 1. Super excited. I've been waiting for this day. I can't wait to be fully vaccinated. I think it is, I'm doing my part to get us back on track here, and I can't wait for life to go back to normal. So come along with me and get vaccinated. So I'm waiting right now to get my vaccine. So excited. Long time coming. Okay, that was so great. It only took a few minutes. There was a little bit of waiting because they had to run upstairs to get some additional supplies, but it was pretty fast. And it was a well-oiled machine. Checked in, went downstairs, only saw 2 people. There was hardly anyone waiting. And then they gave me my dose. I already booked my second appointment. And then I had to wait for 15 minutes in observation. And then they let me go. And I even got free parking. So I would say it was a win. Okay, I'm back. Went and got my vaccine. And now I'm making some dinner. We got some mushrooms here. We got some peppers and onions. Got some chicken. Gonna put some teriyaki. Call it a day. Oh, pineapple. I'm gonna add some pineapple because kids like pineapple. I need a bigger pan. This meal just doesn't fit. I don't have a long pan that it fits in. So I think I need to buy a new pan. But anyway, okay, I wanted to talk to you about something. You people out there who are watching this video, I hope it's more than a couple of you. Now that I have my vaccine, or at least my first dose, which my second one is scheduled for 3 weeks from now, should I start pumping again in order to increase my milk supply so that I can pump milk for my 2-year-old? I'm already breastfeeding my 1-year-old again. He stopped. I had my LASIK. This mushroom kind of looks funky. I might toss it. Sorry, I got distracted. So I stopped feeding him around his first birthday because I wanted to get my LASIK. I really wanted to get it. He wasn't that interested in nursing in the morning. He wasn't that interested in nursing in the evening. So I figured, what the heck, I'm going to go forward and get this. Because I've been wanting to get it for about 5 years, and the last time I went to go get it, I found out I was pregnant again and couldn't get it. So, long story short, I stopped feeding him. Then a few weeks ago, I was waiting for my husband to bring me a bottle, and he was getting really restless, and he was grabbing at me. So I just went ahead and offered him the boob, and he was totally into it. So I don't know. I guess kids go through phases, right? Maybe it was a teeth thing. Maybe it wasn't. I'm not really sure, but I've been feeding him at night now. I have no idea what he's getting. I don't think he's getting much because it was a whole month between when I stopped feeding him and when he expressed interest again. At that point, also, I had found out I was going to be eligible to get the vaccine. So I had gone ahead and scheduled that, and I really started to feel guilty about the fact that I stopped feeding him because I could have been making sure that he had antibodies. So now I'm really wondering what I should do. Should I pump? Should I not pump? I can definitely get out all my pump stuff and start, doing it again. I work from home. There's really not a lot of reason that I can't. At least during the day, because I can multitask. I could have the pump on, while I'm working. It's just kind of an annoying thing, right? For anyone out there who's worked and pumped, you know what I'm talking about, which is the main reason why I bought the Willow pump. And I have the Willow pump, but I know that the Willow pump is probably not going to be sufficient if I'm trying to relactate. And the reason that I say that is because it's just one of those pumps that's really great once your milk supply has come in. But in my experience, it wasn't great when I tried to use it with my youngest the second time around, like right when he was born. Like I really had to wait a couple months for my milk supply to build up, and had to focus on, you know, directly nursing and also using my Spectra pump before I was able to really get much with the Willow. Everybody reacts differently to the Willow, but I just know that that's my body. So, should I do the selfless act of relactating? Should I not put pressure on myself and just let it go? What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Ultimately, I know it's my decision and I have to make the best decision for me. I get that. But I am curious to think what other people out there think, especially if you have kids or you've breastfed and pumped at work, and or if you got your COVID vaccine yet. So, look forward to seeing your comments. Okay, unfiltered real life right now. Like it is, let's see. It's 8:25. I feel like it's midnight. Oh, I'm so tired. Okay, so it's 8:25. I got back from my vaccine appointment, and as I told you earlier, I was making dinner. I went with my husband to pick up the kids, came home. I had some work I needed to finish, so I asked him if he could like handle executing the rest of dinner so I could come back up to my office, which I did, and I was working away, blah, 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 and then all of a sudden it was time for dinner. I have no idea how, like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours went by. Went down, had dinner pretty quick, brought the kids upstairs to give them a bath. And of course, I'm like in the bathroom, they're in the bathtub, I'm scrubbing blackberry or something out of their clothes, because you know how that is. Came home from school with yucky clothes. And then all of a sudden I hear my older son Hamilton go, "Mommy, Theo's pooping." And I turn around and look, and Theo, he just recently like he's learning how to walk. He stood up in the bathtub. So that's not cool. We don't want him standing in the bathtub, but he stood up and was pooping. And I reached down and caught the poop in my hand. I have no idea why I'm telling you the story. I guess because I want you to realize like what unfiltered real life mom moments look like, because it's not all peaches and roses and butterflies. Like a lot of the time it is this sort of stressful, like go evening where you're just trying to get everything done. And then of course my house got cleaned today. I actually had cleaners come, which I have not had anyone come clean my house in over a year and a half. Like maybe a year. I think I might have had somebody come help me right before Theo was born, but then of course COVID, and I don't regularly have people come. I have them come when like the place needs a really deep clean and I just have too much on my schedule and I have to outsource it. So anyway, they came today, they cleaned of course, and then he poops in the clean bathtub. And then I take him out of the bathtub to like, you know, I had to get the one clean, get the other one out, and then he pees on the bathroom floor. So my bathroom still has stuff everywhere. The toys are all in the sink. I need to clean them because now they need to be disinfected and the whole thing. It's 8:30 almost. I have work I need to do for my regular job. I have a video going up tomorrow, which I want to get out on schedule, on time. It's a collab, so I'm dedicated to getting it done, and it's not finished. So this is life. So if you ever feel like, why don't I have it together? How do all these other people have it together? Please know that we don't all have it together. I mean, there's so many things going on all the time, and sometimes you just have to laugh at yourself because that's the only way. Like when he pooped in the bathtub, I just had to laugh. That was my reaction because that's the only way to get through it sometimes. So anyway, I'm gonna get to work. Come along with me. I'm so busy right now trying to get this stuff done that I don't even have time to get my camera out. So I'm using my iPhone to film right now. Hopefully the picture quality is okay. Okay, I'm checking in because it is now 9:40. It's 9:40 and I'm just now getting to this video that needs to go up tomorrow. So switching gears, done with that, moving on to this. Get out the other computer here, and let's see how long it takes me to get this done. I'm hoping I can be in bed by 10:30. That would be amazing if it only took me 50 minutes to finish. I have been editing all week. I've been getting up in the morning and doing a lot of editing, but these videos take me a long time to edit. I don't know, do you do YouTube? How long does it take you to edit? Tell me in the comments below. I'd be really curious to know. But my videos definitely take a while. So hopefully I get faster with every video, but I'm not that speedy, especially when my brain is not working that great at the end of the day. So here we go. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. It's 6:28. No, it's not 6:28. It's 10:28. I'm losing my mind. It's 10:28 and I haven't added music yet. So I need to do that now. And then I still need to upload it, which I will upload it overnight while I'm sleeping, because typically my YouTube videos, when I upload them, they can take anywhere from 20 minutes to 2 hours to upload. It really depends. So I like to upload them overnight since I'm sleeping anyway, and that's just a little bit more efficient. Ironic, since I'm uploading my productivity video right now, or I will be as soon as I add music and export it. So here we go. Well, it's 11:36. So I'm not in bed. I wanted to be in bed at 10:30, like I said. It's 11:36. My video is uploading. It says it's gonna take 1 hour and 56 more minutes to upload. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm gonna let this upload while I'm sleeping, and then when I get up in the morning around, I usually get up at 5. When I get up in the morning, maybe around 5:30 tomorrow, I will finish the tags and then make sure that everything looks good. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. I'm exhausted. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to watch this video here and this video here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Let's